Picture a land steeped in history, rich in culture, and bursting with breathtaking landscapes. Now imagine discovering its secrets, the ones veiled from the typical traveler's eye. Welcome to Iran, a place where mystique intertwines with tradition and natural wonders lie in wait around every corner. Beyond the well-trodden path, a treasure trove of lesser-known destinations beckons, from mysterious underground cities to vibrant islands, enchanting villages to otherworldly deserts. Prepare to embark on a journey to 10 of Iran's most spectacular hidden gems. From the stunning Alamut Valley, the former headquarters of a mysterious sect, to the vibrant Hormuz Island with its red soil and clear waters, Iran's secrets are as diverse as they are intriguing. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have the enchanting Alamut Valley. Known for its breathtaking landscapes and historical significance, it once hosted the Alamut Castle, a mountain fortress that was home to the mysterious Nizari Ismaili Muslim sect, known as the Assassins. Next, at number 9, we delve into the depths of the Ouyi Underground City. A relic of the Sasanian era, this labyrinth of tunnels and chambers served as a refuge from invaders, whispering tales of survival and ingenuity. At number 8, we find the vibrant Badab-e Surt. A natural spectacle, these terraced mineral springs cascade down a mountainside in hues of red, orange, and yellow, offering a sight that's truly mesmerizing. On to number 7, we visit the hilly Moussouleh village. Built into the mountainside, this car-free zone boasts houses that seem stacked atop each other, with winding streets that invite exploration. At number 6, we have the Hormuz Island, with its unique red soil, crystal-clear waters, and unique geological formations including salt caves and colorful rock formations. It's a place of raw, untamed beauty. Halfway through our countdown at number 5 is the Lut Desert. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, this otherworldly desert is one of Earth's hottest places, home to unique flora and fauna that have adapted to its harsh conditions. At number 4, we travel back in time to Takht-e-Soleiman, the ancient capital of the Sasanian Empire. Home to impressive ruins including a temple, a palace, and a fire temple, it stands as a testament to Iran's rich past. In third place, we have the charming Abyaneh village. Known for its traditional architecture and lifestyle, this village is a living museum preserving the ways of the past amidst the hustle and bustle of the modern world. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Shhh historical hydraulic system. An engineering marvel, this ancient irrigation system is a testament to the ingenuity of the ancient Iranians, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that still stands strong. And the number 1 hidden gem in Iran is the unique Kandavan village, where houses are carved into volcanic rocks, a testament to Iran's rich architectural history. A place where the past and present coexist, Kandavan is the epitome of Iran's hidden treasures. In just a few minutes, we've journeyed through time and traversed breathtaking landscapes, all within the borders of Iran, from the historic Alamut Valley to the mysterious Ouyi Underground City, the vibrant springs of Badab-e Surt, and the unique architecture of Moussouleh village. Hormuz Island's vibrant hues, Lut Desert's otherworldly beauty, and the ancient sites of Takht-e-Soleiman, Abyaneh village, Shhh's hydraulic system, and Kandavan's volcanic homes. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Iran's hidden treasures. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration and adventure. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering the hidden gems of the world.